Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú alẹ́, a kú dédé ìwòyí níbi tí gbogbo wa bá wà. A kú ìsinmi òní. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá. Gbogbo àwa tá a lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, àwọn tó sì wà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, Ọlọ́run á ṣọ́ wọn délé. Àwa tá a sì ti délé, Olúwa nígbẹ̀yìn òní, a ó wá fọpẹ́ f'Olúwa, a ó yìn á gbé orúkọ rẹ̀ ga. Ìròyìn kan ló tẹ̀ mí lọ́wọ́ tí mo gbọ́ ní òwúrọ̀ yìí kí n tó lọ sí before I made my way to church. Mo sì ní tí mo bá dé, màá jomi tó rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá rere, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olórí wa bí ó ṣe ń ná ìná àpà, ìnákùná ní ìlú Nàìjíríà, bí ó ṣe bà ayé treasury Nàìjíríà jẹ́. Ó tójọ́ mélòó kan náà tí èmi náà ti di ẹlẹ́ ayé, mi ò rò bí mo rí president kan tó ń ṣe owó ìlú kan mọ̀kùmọ̀kù bó ṣe ná owó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, bí ó ṣe ná owó ìlú yẹn. Kí n má sọ̀rọ̀ jìnnà, màá fún yín gbọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́, ká jọ gbọ́ ìròyìn náà. Ìròyìn àárọ̀ yìí ni o, authentic news, confirmed news ni, kò kí ń ṣe pé bóyá àhesọ or I just decided to design it myself and try to give it to you guys to hear. So ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ listen, ẹ mú ìjókòó yín, ẹ jókòó bẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́, ká jọ gbọ́ wọn.
2015 pé kò ní sí iná àpà kankan, bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sì ní sí àná owó gọbọi lórí bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ. Wọ́n ní láti bí ọdún mélòó kan tí ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari ti wà ní ìṣàkóso, owó orí àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí ó ti jẹ́ níná lórí pé bàálù ń fò kúrò lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó ti lé ní bílíọ̀nù 41.9 náírà, 41.9 billion naira. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe fi ọ̀rọ̀ léde pé ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari ṣèlérí náà lọ́dún 2015 lásìkò ìpolongo ìbò ààrẹ wípé gbogbo tó bá jẹ mọ́ àrìnrìn àjò pẹ̀lú bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ ni wọ́n ó gé àwọn ẹ̀náwó tó rọ̀ mọ́. Ní nǹkan oṣù kẹwàá ọdún 2016 nígbà tí iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ tí wọ́n kéde rẹ̀ síta lórí ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo tó jẹ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn fẹ́ fi owó rìnrìn àjò àbí àwọn fẹ́ gbé bàálù kúrò lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n láwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n ṣe àlàkalẹ̀ rẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé òbítíbitì owó ni wọ́n ná látàrí àwọn ọkọ̀ abẹ́ẹ̀fò ní o àtàwọn bàálù àtàwọn nǹkan míì tí ó tẹ̀lé ààrẹ jáde. Nígbà tí wọ́n ní ìṣàkóso tó wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n ṣèlérí pé àwọn ó ta àwọn bàálù kan eléyìí tó wà ní àkàtà iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ látàrí àti mú àdínkù dé bá ẹ̀náwó lẹ́ka ìjọba. Nígbà tí ó di oṣù kẹwàá ọdún 2016, àmúgbálẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ pàtàkì sí ààrẹ lórí ìròyìn àti ìpolongo Garba Shehu ó fi dá àwọn oníròyìn lójú pé àwọn bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wọ́n jẹ́ pé wọ́n ó tà ní ìbámu àṣẹ tí ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari pa láti lè jẹ́ kí ohun gbogbo kó wà ní ìwọ̀ntúnwọ̀nsì, kó mọ́ sì tí ìná àpà lẹ́ka àwọn tó ń ṣàmójútó bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ. Ṣé ó ṣàfikún rẹ̀ pé àwọn bàálù náà ni wọ́n ó tó fà lé àkàtà iléeṣẹ́ ọmọ ogun ojú òfurufú ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́ kí wọ́n lè máa rí wọn lò. Nígbà tí wọ́n ní ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari tó ṣe àdéhùn gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùdíje lábẹ́ àṣẹ ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú APC nígbà náà lọ́wọ́ mo wá sọ̀rọ̀ pé ó ṣàbójú wo gbogbo àwọn bàálù tó wà ní àkàtà iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ náà tó sì ní iná àpà gan-an làwọn eléyìí o, àwọn eléyìí lásán ó níye tó ń gbà lọ. Nígbà tí ó gba ọ́fíìsì lọ́jọ́ 29 oṣù karùn-ún ọdún 2015, wọ́n ní nínú àtúnṣe ìwé àbá òfin ètò ìṣúná 2016, wọ́n ní ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari ló ya owó tí ó lé ní bílíọ̀nù 3 ó lé ẹgbẹ̀ta níye fún títọ́jú àwọn bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ ní 2017. Wọ́n ní owó títún àwọn nǹkan bóyá ó bàjẹ́ àbí àtúnṣe àwọn bàálù iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ náà ló gbẹ́nu sókè tí ó sì wọ bílíọ̀nù 4.37 nígbà tí wọ́n ní ó tún gbẹ́nu sókè sí nígbà tí ó di 2018 tí ó jẹ́ bílíọ̀nù 7.60 níye nígbà tó di 2019. Wọ́n ní owó tí wọ́n sì ń ṣe àtúnṣe ní o àmójútó ni o ó tún gbẹ́nu sókè sí ó lé ní bílíọ̀nù 7.2 níye nígbà tí ó di 2020. Wọ́n ní owó ètò ìṣúná tí wọ́n yà sọ́tọ̀ fún ó já wálẹ̀ díẹ̀ níbi 2021. Wọ́n ní owó náà ó tún gbẹ́nu sókè kúrò ní bó ti ṣe já wá sílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Eléyìí tí wọ́n sì fi ń tọ́ka sí pé iná àpà tí wọ́n fẹ́ mú àdínkù dé bá náà kò tí ì farahàn rárá ní ẹ̀ka iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ o.
Àwọn dókítà tí wọ́n jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà.
Can you see the way this man is scandalizing Nigerian money? Look at the amount of money he has marked for himself since the time he has been in the throne. I had a news yesterday, and in the news I was told, I heard it that he's trying to he's trying to do wedding for one of his son or something like that. Do you know the amount of money that one is going to go from Nigerian Treasury? Very sure it can never be from his pockets. It's from the pocket of Nigeria. I am definitely sure about that. Now, look at the money that he is spending on himself. While we have some people over there, group of some people, workers, that are looking after the country, the doctors, that they are not paying their salaries. They are withholding the salaries. We have some pensioners there that they are not giving their salaries. And look at the amount that this man here marked for himself. While some people are dying in hunger. You see, I don't want to say much. I don't want to say much. But I know that this man has completely decimated, obliterated, exterminated that country. Nigeria has been killed by Major General Muhammadu Buhari, the deaf and dumb idiot man. He has killed that country. He himself is a robber with the people working with him. I don't know what this man think we are. From the news I heard yesterday, he was saying that by in some couple of years to come, that Nigeria is going to be one of the leading nations in Africa. The country that you have killed already. How can it be a leading nation? Let me quickly play you this. I've got one video again that someone sent to me. I watched it. If you hear Fulani very well, please kindly listen to this to what this man is saying. Listen. please. Oh, let's see. Fela has said it. Yes, Fela has said it. I want to quickly check for it. But before then, listen to these people. Listen to Fela's song, please. Let's check for it.
Everybody run, run, run. Everybody scatter, scatter. Some people lost some bread. Someone nearly died. Someone
We have lost
just
the Jews.
died. Police they come, Hammy they come. Confusion everywhere. 7 minutes later, all don't cool down, brother. Police don't go away. Army don't disappear. Them live sorrow, tears and blood.
Them regular trademark.
Them live sorrow, tears and blood.
Them regular trademark.
Them regular trademark.
Them regular trademark.
That is why everybody run, run, run. Everybody scatter, scatter. Someone nearly died. Some people lost some bread. Someone just died. Police they come, army they come. Confusion everywhere. 7 minutes later, all don't go down, brother. Police don't go away. Army don't disappear. Them live sorrow, tears and blood.
Them regular trademark.
Them live sorrow, tears and blood.
Them regular trademark.
Them regular trademark.
Them regular trademark.
La 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 la. My people say they fear too much. We fear for the thing we no see. We fear for the air around us. We fear to fight for freedom. We fear to fight for liberty. We fear to fight for justice. We fear to fight for happiness. We always get reason to fear. We no one die. We no one wound. We no one quench. We no one go. I get one child. I'm a different house. My body different house. I won't build a house. I don't build a house. I no one quench. I won't enjoy. I no one go. So policeman go slap your face. You know go talk. Army man go whip your yash. You go they look like donkey. Rhodesia they do them own. Our leaders they have for nothing. South Africa they do them home. Them live sorrow, tears and blood.
Them regular trademark.
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 Regular trademark.
Them regular trademark.
That is why everybody run, run, run. Everybody scatter, scatter. Some people lost some bread. Someone.
That's the video.
Idan ba gwamnati ta daure man wanda yake cikin daji ya ta'addanci ba Allah ubangiji ya tsine ma Allah dauki rayuwa ta a wurin nan. Bahilla ce saniya aka san shi da ita sai noma. Saniya ba ta haifa bindiga AK 47. Bahilla ce bai da makera da zai kera bindiga AK 47. Gwamnati ke turowa daure man wanda yake cikin daji ya ta'addanci ba Allah.
Please, I want you to listen to this very well, please. If you understand Fulani properly, please, what this man was actually saying there was just about how they are getting the AK-47. Right, please.
gidi ya tsine ma Allah dauki rayuwata a wurin nan. Bahilla ce saniya aka san shi da ita sai noma. Saniya ba ta haifa bindiga AK 47. Bahilla ce bai da makera da zai kera bindiga AK 47. Gwamnati ke turowa har muka samu. Mu kuma wallahi dalilin da ya sa billahi lazi shekara na 7 ina makarantar allo. Amma lokacin da na dawo na tsinci kaina a cikin wannan abun wallahi ina mamaki kullum ina tunanin rayuwata. Saboda mahaifa na akalla a kasar dan banga.
What the man was actually saying there is that he can swear with his life that who are they? Where are they going to have the money to purchase that gun they are using, the sophisticated weapons that they are using? That there's nothing, absolutely nothing that they are doing that government didn't know anything about it. That they've got the back of the government. That they are the one distributing those ammunitions, the guns for them, to kill and to exterminate the lives of people, to destroy. That is what the man was saying there. And if you can remember vividly, when they caught some of them, there was a time a news was spreading around. A guy said that he has run away from the government, from the army, Nigerian army, that he cannot cope anymore. And he made the street reason known to everyone, every Nigerian, that they sent them to go and face the Boko Haram people. That his best friend was a good shooter. He too was a good targeter. That his best friend was dealing with those people very well. That is what he was shooting, killing them very well. That one of the army that was converted from Boko Haram to Nigerian army shot this guy and killed him. And he asked the guy, why did you do this? What made you kill him? The guy replied him that he is killing those people too much. That is killing those people too much. So he was somehow disturbed and confused. He couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe it that but we're being sent into this mission to get rid of these people because of their bad acts, bad character. And you kill this man because he was doing what they asked him to do. He said, since then, he wasn't himself. So in the end, he found a means of leaving that camp. And he said he can't do it anymore. Because firstly, when they send them down there, what they will give to them is not the ammunitions, the gun and all the stuff that they always give to them. It's not as strong as the one those people are using. They are doing this premeditatedly so that they won't be able to get over them. They can kill them. They can kill Nigerian army, the Boko Haram people. So since then, he said he just find a means that he's no more interested in Nigerian army. And Buhari himself had said that they should not kill those people whenever they got them arrested. That they shouldn't kill them. And a couple of days ago, I heard that about 1,000 of them surrendered themselves, and they said they have converted, and they were discussing whether to check them, to forgive them, and ignore all what they have done, all the atrocity that they have committed. slaughtering, killing, and all this stuff. Father said it. They live with sorrow, tears, and blood. They come, they go, and they live with sorrow, tears, and blood. So this man, Boko Haram, is definitely in support. We all knew that. 100% sure that he knew he is the backbone of them. Altering word this morning when I heard it, that he said a couple of years to come, Nigeria is going to be one of the best African nation. How is he going to do it? How is he going to do it? This man has bad intentions for us. He had bad intentions for us. Him and his people surrounding him. I don't want to mention name. So Nigeria, you need to wake up. Don't anybody from APC think otherwise before you vote for them. And mostly, the APC is mostly in doubt in that northern side. No going back. No going back. Sovereignty is what we all support. Self-determination is what we are after. Dissolution is the answer. Secession, bloody answer. Disabilitation, original answer. We have to part our own way. Let Igbo go on his own way, Yoruba on his own way, the Hausas on his own way. Who are the Fulanis? We don't know them. They are just infinitesimal. Infinitesimal butterfly of them. Think themselves they are birds. They are just ordinary butterfly, but they think they are bird. They are not. Absolutely, they are nothing. Fulani, no. The Hausas, Yibo, Yoruba, and Hausas. The Fulani are nothing to be right home about. They just want us, the three tribes, to give them recognition. We are not going to give it to them. They are born bastard. They are not born to rule, but they are born bastard. They are an idiot. Born bastard people. So we need definitely to do something about this. We have to go on our own paths. So please, ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi ọwọ́ lẹ́rán ká máa wòran. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, Ọlọ́run á ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́, gbogbo bí ta bá lè sáré sí, gbogbo bí ta bá lè jáde, gbogbo ọgbọ́n ta bá ní, gbogbo òye ta bá ní, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi gbéra wa lárugẹ, ká fi ranra wa lọ́wọ́. Ọlọ́run ò ní padà lẹ́yìn wa. Ẹlẹ́dàá ò ní padà lẹ́yìn wa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká dúró nídúró wípé Ọlọ́run á sọ̀kalẹ̀ lókè láti wá gbèjà wa o. Kò ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Láyé kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ the Israelites, bọ́lọ́run ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó, wọn ń dúró fọwọ́ lérán fò ó. Tẹ́ bá tọ́ wọn, ẹ tọ́ ìyá ìṣì lọ́mú ni o. Wọ́n á fojú ẹni tó bá tọ́ wọn á mọ̀ pé yes, òun ṣìṣe, òun ṣì rìn. So ẹ má jẹ́ káwa ọmọ Yorùbá náà, ẹ má jẹ́ ká dúró ká má wòran o. Eléyìí ń ṣe nǹkan tá à ń wò níran mọ́. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́, á dúró tì wá, á bá wa ṣe, á gbèjà wa jà. Gbogbo ohunkóhun tá a bá nídìí, tá a need, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á ràn wá lọ́wọ́, á pèsè ẹ̀ fún wa. Ẹ̀pọ̀tẹ́ jẹ́ káwa náà ká ranra wa lọ́wọ́ o. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì yín, á wà pẹ̀lú yín o. Ètò mi ò jù báyìí lọ lénìí. Èmi ni HRH Prince K.A. Hajijọ, ọmọ Atẹnuijọ Apanajare, confirmed prince. Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́ o. Ó dìgbà o. Thank you. God bless you all.